The Discipline of Psychology by Macy Nelson. What is psychology? Psychology is the study of cognitive, developmental, behavioral, and neural studies, which involve learning, personality, social, and clinical psychology. So, in a simpler form, it's the study of brain and behavior. Perspectives. There's many different perspectives in psychology, but these are the main 5. First is biological, which is a way of looking at psychological issues by studying the physical basis for animal and human behavior. Next is behaviorist, which focuses on the idea that all behaviors are learned through interaction with the environment. Cognitive focuses on how internal thoughts and feelings influences one's behavior. Psychodynamic emphasizes unconscious psychological processes and contends that childhood experiences are crucial in shaping adult personality. And last but not least is humanistic, which emphasizes looking at the whole individual itself and stresses concepts such as free will and self-actualization. Next is theories. Just like perspectives, there's many different theories to choose from, but I chose these 4. Information processing theory, which describes how our brains filter information from what we're paying attention to in the present moment, which ultimately gets us into our long-term memory. Piaget's cognitive development theory, which focuses on children's cognitive development occurring in stages. He suggested that the children's thinking develops from one stage to the next. Their behavior also changes, reflecting these cognitive developments. Next is classical conditioning, which behaviors are learned by connecting a neutral stimulus with a positive one, such as Pavlov's dogs hearing the bell, which is neutral, and expecting food, which is positive. So this learned behavior is called a conditioned response. And last is psychoanalytic theory, which is a guideline for understanding personality development and psychoanalysis. Next are the contributors of psychology. So as earlier I said, Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov is the person of classical conditioning theory. These behaviors are learned by connecting a neutral stimulus with a positive one, like I said with the dog. Next is Freud. I have not mentioned him yet, but he is widely known in the psychology world. He focuses on human behavior, which is influenced by unconscious memories, thoughts, and urges. This theory also proposes that the 3 aspects, the ID, ego, and superego. The ID is entirely unconscious, while the ego operates in the conscious mind. Another one is the mind theory, which thoughts and emotions outside of our awareness continue to exert an influence on our behaviors. And Piaget's cognitive development theory, which focuses on children's cognitive development, occurs in stages. And as earlier I stated that it reflects the cognitive development within kids as well. And lastly, my discipline can help focus on the health mentally in all aspects, primarily by maybe creating signs with affirmations, motivational things, and scents such as candles, lights. Usually when you think of psychology, you think of maybe like a guidance counselor's office or a psychologist's office. Just in general is a cozy environment. So reflecting that onto a classroom, I'm just going to recreate this, and here's my sources. Thank you.